Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your Google slide presentation as a JPEG image. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab at the top left, select Download, and then select the JPEG image, .jpg, current slide. So if you had a different slide you wanted to print, just would select that instead, and then select download, and then select the JPEG image, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.